When you start a divorce, you need to give your spouse official notice that the divorce has started. That's called service of process. When you file a divorce with a court, you are already in the circle. Service of process is like getting the other person in the circle. You must get them in the circle to continue the divorce, so you may need to try a few different methods. This video explains the methods in general, but always check with the court where you have the case to get all the details. Not all courts do things the same way. One way to get someone into the circle is to pay to have a professional give them the divorce papers. That might mean hiring a process server or law enforcement. Your court will tell you your options. You may also send someone notice with certified mail. The court clerk will send the mail, and you will need to get a receipt showing that your spouse received it. If you can give your spouse the divorce papers and they do not want to get in the circle by process server, law enforcement, or certified mail, they can waive service of process by signing a form called Verified Waiver of Service of Process and Acknowledgement of Receipt of Petition for Dissolution of Marriage and Summons. They will have to sign this form in front of a notary public. Some banks and libraries have a notary public. There is a small cost. If you don't know where your spouse lives, or they live outside of the area and you have been unable to make the other methods work, you can pay to put a notice in the newspaper. This is not common, and you should talk to an attorney or the court about how to do this. Service of process. Get in the circle.